If a certain lobby is controlling it, what is the future and outcome of the children? Sorry that even in the education department now you see real estate agents. So many years of the existence of Goa University, आमचे गोंयकार teacher qualify जायना काय कितें? See, this is a very serious issue. आमचे NSU चे भुरगे went to the police station and they have filed a complaint regarding this. आज, if you look, whenever we have pointed out that in the Goa University there are irregularities happening, खास करून जे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे जे रँकिंग आहे आता दिस रँकिंग हॅज स्लिप थ्रू गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी रँकिंग हॅज नाव वॉज ऑलवेज अराउंड 85. टुडे द गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी रँकिंग हॅज गॉन टू बिटवीन 100 and 150. दिस इज बॅड फॉर आवर स्टेट. आम्ही जेन्ना जेन्ना एड्युकेशन डिमांड्साचे हो इश्यू काढा, स्पेशली चड जा थिंगा केरला लॉबी जालो. हे रिक्रुटींग रुल्स चेंज करून एंकाच एंगेले हे सगळे टू मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम केरला वन पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस. रिक्रुटींग rules have been relaxed, teachers have been taken. It is shocking today to see that after so many years of the existence of Goa University, आमचे गोंयकार teacher qualify जायना काय कितें? And today it is shocking that it is believed that this is done on the कोण मोठ्या गर्लफ्रेंडा लागून केलो, कोण मोठ्या बॉयफ्रेंडा लागून हात कितें चलता ते कितें जाता ते कांय कोणा. आनी हे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे म्हाका दिसता जे इट इज हॅपनिंग. सेकंड टाइम दिस पेपर हॅज बीन लीक्ड. सो वेर our NSUI had gone complaint, did a police complaint, and there has to be strict action, and the chief minister has to come clear on how he plans to go about this thing. Goa University is a separate entity by itself, but if a certain lobby is controlling it, what is the future and outcome of the children? We are on one side, you see government bringing private universities. होईता थिंगा गणपत युनिव्हर्सिटी आणि कोण पारुल युनिव्हर्सिटी आणि कोण अमेठी युनिव्हर्सिटी. रियल इस्टेटा लागून हे सगळे युनिव्हर्सिटी गोंयांत येताय आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या नावान चोण्या कोंतान लँड सेल जाता. लँड सेल जावन आज इफ यू लुक it is nothing but this real estate agents coming to Goa. It's sorry that even in the education department now you see real estate agents. And this particular issue that Magadista, this is something that has to be looked very, very seriously. I believe that the governor should also intervene, he being the chancellor. And it is basically not in the interest of the state. And we have to look at proactive measures to take to make sure Goa University comes back to the ranking that it had within the first 100 universities in the country.